Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing luxury villa with LED Ring FREE Parking NYC. It's a none-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are family rooms and a non-smoking rooms. Providing city views and a garden. Luxury villa with LED Ring FREE Parking NYC is located in the Flatbush district of Brooklyn, 3.1 miles from Barclays Center and 5 miles from Coney Island. The air-conditioned units have a fully equipped kitchen with dining area, a microwave, electric teapot, and a fridge. The condo hotel has a terrace. Brooklyn Botanic Garden is 1.7 miles from luxury villa with LED Ring FREE Parking NYC, while Brooklyn Museum is 2 miles away. The nearest airport is John F. Kennedy International Airport, 9 miles from the accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.